I'm out there. They're laughing. I'm building it. They're laughing. You know, I do the special. I know how it's going to be received at least a little bit because I'm getting that kind of appreciation.
Sure.
After 4 decades of working in relative solitude
and abuse.
Yeah. And it's such an act of faith too, because when you have a world where there's only, when somebody like Ed Whitten, et cetera, et al. Are saying that this is the only theory, everything else is a lie.
Right.
The act of faith it must take to continue on is, because what if nobody ever like sees it? That's why you get this guy like Curt Jaimungal who now takes all that time to actually understand it and highlight it and put it out there. How has that been received?
Tell me.
Yeah.
You know, it's like
yeah.
the community doesn't want to react to it. And by react, I mean something very special. Like you saw this thing with Terrence Howard and myself that Joe asked for.
Yes, you were so nice to him. Maybe too nice.
I never want to critique somebody if I can't steelman them first. Mm-hmm. There's something wrong with a community that wants to pretend that a Harvard PhD and an MIT postdoc can't be steelmanned. Is this the first theory in the history of mathematics and physics that can't be steelmanned? Like, that's a really bizarre question.
Yeah.
So, one second. I think about it this way. What are the odds that somebody with my profile would work 40 years and there's nothing to recommend what they work on? Like zero. There's nothing good that can be said about it.